What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the best Intuit Mint alternatives. Managing personal finances effectively is crucial for achieving financial goals and maintaining stability. While Intuit Mint is a popular choice, several alternatives offer unique features that cater to various budgeting styles and preferences. In this video, we explore 5 top alternatives, each designed to help users gain better control over their financial lives. Let's start with Empower. Empower, formerly known as Personal Capital, is a comprehensive financial management tool that excels in investment tracking and retirement planning. It provides users with free access to a suite of financial planning tools, including retirement planners and budgeting calculators. Empower's interface is user-friendly, allowing for easy account syncing and personalized insights. While the basic services are free, premium features are available for those with significant investable assets. Its features include free financial planning tools, investment checkup and retirement planner, budgeting calculators, and fee-based wealth management services. When it comes to pricing, it is free for basic services, and premium tiers start at 0.89% of assets under management for those with $100,000 or more. YNAB. YNAB is designed to help users adopt a proactive approach to budgeting through its zero-based budgeting method. This platform encourages users to assign every dollar a job, fostering accountability and better financial habits. YNAB is particularly beneficial for individuals looking to pay off debt or save for specific goals. The software includes educational resources to help users understand budgeting principles effectively. YNAB offers zero-based budgeting system, goal tracking and reporting, educational resources, and mobile app for on-the-go budgeting. When it comes to pricing, it starts at $14.99 a month or $98.99 per year with a 34-day free trial available. Rocket Money. Rocket Money focuses on overall budgeting and expense tracking, making it easy for users to manage subscriptions and recurring bills. The app automatically categorizes transactions and provides insights into spending habits, helping users identify areas for improvement. Rocket Money also offers features for setting savings goals and tracking refunds on returned items. Rocket Money offers automatic transaction categorization, subscription tracking and cancellation, custom watchlist and spending limits, and savings goal setup. When it comes to pricing, free version is available and premium plans range from $4 to $12 per month based on features chosen. Monarch Money. Monarch Money is tailored for families and couples managing shared finances, offering collaborative budgeting tools that allow multiple users to work together seamlessly. The platform provides customizable categories and tags, along with features for goal tracking and bill management. Users appreciate its intuitive design and the ability to import data from other financial apps like Mint or Quicken. Monarch Money offers collaborative budgeting tools, customizable income and spending categories, bill management features, and data import from other platforms. When it comes to pricing, there is a 7-day free trial, and after that, it is going to be $8.33 per month. Tiller Money. Tiller Money is ideal for spreadsheet enthusiasts who want complete control over their financial data. By integrating with Google Sheets or Excel, Tiller allows users to create personalized budgets while automatically updating their financial information in real time. This platform is perfect for those who prefer a hands-on approach to managing their finances without relying on cloud storage solutions. Tiller Money offers Google Sheet or Excel integration, real-time data updates, fully customizable budgeting templates, and hands-on control over financial data. When it comes to pricing, it starts at $79 per month after a 30-day free trial. In conclusion, Each Intuit Mint alternative offers unique features tailored to different financial management needs. Whether you prefer proactive budgeting with YNAB, investment tracking with Empower, or collaborative tools with Monarch Money, these platforms provide valuable resources to help you take control of your finances effectively and efficiently. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.